What's the next big thing in home entertainment? Sony thinks it has the answer with its personal 3D viewer, a sci-fi headset that straps a cinema screen onto the front of your face. But is this a glimpse into a high-tech future, or simply a pricey gimmick? Here's how it works. You squeeze the personal 3D viewer onto your head, adjusting these straps around the back to make sure it fits snugly. Inside the headset there are two 0.7-inch OLED displays, each one with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. When the screens are aligned in front of your eyes, you'll experience a 3D effect, though we're told you can switch the 3D off if you prefer your entertainment in 2 dimensions. Sony reckons that when you're wearing this kooky headset, it'll feel like you're looking at a 750-inch cinema screen from a distance of 20 meters. If you need to tinker with the view, then these sliders on the bottom will adjust the position of the two screens. The viewer itself is plugged into this control box via a proprietary cable. You can then plug that into just about anything with an HDMI output, such as a Blu-ray player or games console. Finally, sound is catered for by these headphones, which pump out simulated 5.1 surround sound and can also be adjusted. Sony's been working on the personal viewer for ages. We saw it in an early prototype stage nearly a year ago. So, was it worth the wait? Well, it is comfortable, and even though the headset itself is quite hefty, it didn't feel like it was weighing us down too much. The strap seemed easy to adjust even when you're wearing it, and these control buttons along the bottom are easy to find with your fingers. As for the all-important picture quality, we were impressed with the overall effects, and the picture looked clear and colourful. But we're not entirely sure about Sony's claims of feeling like you're looking at a cinema screen. To us it felt just like, well, a small screen. We tried the personal 3D viewer with some 3D movie trailers and a spot of gaming, and while we had fun, it's worth noting that these screens are only 720p, so your HD games and movies won't look quite as magnificent as they could on a 1080p telly. By far the weirdest thing about the viewer though is the sense of total isolation while you're wearing it. Because you can't see or hear anything of the outside world, you do feel very cut off from reality. On the one hand, that means no audio or visual distractions, but on the other, it does make watching movies or gaming quite a lonely experience. So, is this the future? Probably not. It's really only something you can use by yourself, so you miss out on all the communal experiences that accompany gaming and movie watching, like forcing your flatmate to get up to make popcorn, for example. Sony's device is also extremely expensive at just under £800, meaning it's unlikely to find its way into the average living room just yet. Still, it's a quirky bit of tech, and it's great to see something a bit different. You can pre-order now and it'll be available in the next few weeks.
I'm Luke Westwave, CNET UK, and this is the Sony Personal 3D Viewer.